You made money this month. You spent money this month, and somehow you have nothing to show for it. No savings. No buffer. Just that same old knot of stress in your stomach when the bills come due. You've heard all the usual advice. Stop buying coffee. Cook at home. Cut your subscriptions. And you probably tried it. But here's the truth. Most of that advice is like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. It doesn't fix the real problem. And it definitely doesn't feel simple. You know that feeling when you're trying to save money, but it feels like you're fighting a losing battle? Like everyone else has some secret you don't. Well, you're right. There are secrets. Not complicated investment strategies, but subtle shifts in how you think about and interact with your money. Tricks, if you will, that nobody bothers to tell you because they're too simple. And honestly, they actually work. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on 7 money-saving tricks that nobody tells you. These aren't about deprivation or spreadsheets that make your eyes glaze over. These are about setting up your money in a way that makes saving almost automatic. That makes it easy. I'm going to break down each trick, give you clear examples, and show you exactly how to put them into action this week. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new toolkit for saving money, and you'll actually feel good about it. And stick around for trick number 7. It is the game changer that ties everything together and ensures you're always paying yourself first. Trick 1. The future you budget. Most people budget by looking backward. Where did my money go last month? That's okay, but it's like driving while looking in the rearview mirror. The future you budget means every dollar coming into your account gets a job before it even arrives. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Here's how it works. When your paycheck hits, immediately assign every dollar a purpose. This isn't just savings. It's emergency fund, down payment, vacation fund. It's rent, groceries, debt payment. Example. Say you get paid $2,000. Before you spend a single dime, you've already allocated $300 to savings, $1,000 to rent bills, $400 to groceries, and $300 to discretionary spending. Now, when you spend, you know exactly which bucket that money is coming from. If your groceries bucket is empty, you don't just magically pull from another bucket. You adjust. You make it work. This might sound like a lot of work, but here's where it gets interesting. Once you start, it's incredibly empowering. You feel in control. Trick 2. The cost per use mindset. This one is a big shift. Instead of asking, is this cheap? Ask, what is the cost per use? We often buy cheap things repeatedly because they break, wear out, or we simply don't love them. Example, let's say you buy a $10 coffee maker every year because it keeps breaking. Over 5 years, that's $50. Or you could buy a $40 high-quality coffee maker that lasts 5 years. The cheap one actually costs you more. This applies to clothes, kitchen gadgets, even experiences. That $20 concert ticket might be worth it if you singing along and having the time of your life. That $20 impulse purchase you never use. Its cost per use is $20. This mindset forces you to think about value and longevity, not just the initial sticker price. And often, buying higher quality actually saves you money in the long run. Trick 3. The unsubscribe challenge. You know about streaming services, right? But what about that app you downloaded for free and forgot about that now charges $4.99 a month? Or that random magazine subscription? Or the gym membership you haven't used in 6 months? The unsubscribe challenge is simple. Spend 30 minutes going through every single recurring charge on your bank statement. I mean every one. Many banking apps now even have a dedicated section for this. Then, you pick just 3 to cut. Not all of them, just 3. That's it. It's a manageable goal. You'll be amazed at how quickly those $5, $10, $15 charges add up. Even just $30 a month is $360 a year that could be going to your savings. Here's the beautiful part. This is instant savings. You don't have to do anything else. It just stops. Trick 4. Inflation-proof your groceries. Grocery bills are crushing everyone right now. But you can fight back. This isn't just about coupons. This is about strategic shopping. 1. Meal plan. Before you step into the store, know exactly what you're cooking for the week. This avoids impulse buys and wasted food. 2. Shop seasonally. Produce is cheaper and tastes better when it's in season. Google seasonal produce your region before you shop. 3. Buy in bulk wisely. Non-perishables like rice, beans, pasta, and even frozen meats can be cheaper in bulk. But only buy what you'll actually use before it expires. Don't buy a giant bag of carrots if half will rot. 4. Shop the perimeter. The freshest, healthiest, and often best value items, produce, dairy, meat, are usually around the outside of the store. The center aisles are where processed, expensive, and tempting items lurk. Example: instead of buying pre-cut bell peppers for $5, buy whole ones when they're on sale for $2 and cut them yourself. That's $3 in your pocket right there. Multiply that across your whole shopping list. Trick 5. The digital declutter and save. Our phones are constant temptations. Every notification, every ad, every influencer showing off their new purchases. It's designed to make you spend. The digital declutter is about creating friction between you and your spending triggers. 1. Delete shopping apps, especially Amazon, Shine, SOS. Whatever your weakness is, make yourself go to the website on a desktop. That extra effort often kills the impulse. 2. Unfollow trigger accounts. Those fashion bloggers, tech reviewers, or travel influencers. If they make you feel like you need something new, hit unfollow. Your mental health and your wallet will thank you. 3. Turn off notifications. For anything related to sales, discounts, or shopping, you don't need to be alerted to every flash sale. This isn't about ignoring sales. It's about taking back control. It frees up mental space too. Trick 6. Side hustle for a specific goal. Get a side hustle is common advice. But here's the trick nobody tells you. Dedicate your side hustle income to one specific financial goal. Don't just let it blend into your regular income. Example: you decide to drive for a rideshare service for 10 hours a month. That $200 you earn? It goes directly, immediately to your emergency fund, or to paying off that credit card debt. Why this works? It creates intense motivation. You're not just earning more money. You're re-earning the money for my emergency fund, or the money to get out of debt. It makes the effort feel directly impactful and rewarding, which keeps you going. Trick 7. The reverse budget. Pay yourself first, automate. This is the ultimate secret. Most people budget by spending, then seeing what's left for savings. The reverse budget flips that. You pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer for your savings and investments to leave your checking account the day you get paid. Even if it's just $50, make it happen automatically. Then, automate your bills. What's left? That's your spending money for the rest of the month. This removes willpower from the equation. You can't spend what you don't see. It's the simplest, most effective way to guarantee you're always building wealth. It's not glamorous, but it's powerful. Now, here's something most finance channels won't tell you. None of these tricks work in isolation. The real power is in consistency, not intensity. Don't try to implement all 7 today. Pick 1 or 2 that resonate most. Start there. and make them habits. The trick is the repeated action, even small ones. That $5 saved today becomes $500 later. It's not about finding one big hidden stash of cash. It's about plugging hundreds of tiny leaks. And over time, those small, consistent actions build something truly remarkable. So, to recap, give your money a job before it arrives. Think cost per use. Order and cut those subscriptions. Shop smart for groceries. Declutter your digital life. Hustle for a specific goal. And automate your savings first. Your homework. Tonight, open your banking app and find 3 subscriptions you can cancel. Just 3. That's your first step. If this helped you see a simpler path to saving money, hit that subscribe button. I make these videos every week to help you take control of your money, explained simply with animations. And watch this video next to learn how to create your first budget and actually stick to it for good.